Hey guys, it's Bethany coming at you today with a haul, yet sort of a not haul, because most of the stuff I either had or I bought very little printable or was free from online. I was trying to set up this, which is a half letter with these little discs for my Fly Lady cleaning routine that I've been trying to do. So I wanted to show you how you could set this up with either stuff you have existing in your house, purely with printables, and very few items that you may need to order. So I already had these. I used this, which is a Copic marker in this beautiful like lavendery color. I'm going to use that. And my favorite Papermate pen, but of course you can use any highlighter and pen that you want to. These are the rings that I got from Amazon. They are 1-inch rings. I think they were about $6. Comes with 11. I used 8. I also got these little dots. You may have these transparent dots, or you can use whatever you want. You don't have to buy these dots. I got these were $5.60 from Amazon for, I mean, there's so many of them. So cute. I like. These I had, which were just leftover tabs. I just used a few of them. These are from Rose Colored Days. And let's see, I ordered these, but I ordered the poly cover set letter size. 1, 2, 3, came with 4, 5. It was $19.99, so like $20 for these. So about $4 a piece. I may use these to make task cards out of. I don't know. Anyway, I had to cut them down to make them work. So, and since I can't cut it this way to make 2 perfect letters, size half letters, I had to cut this way. So I can only use 1 for each sheet. So if you do it, you might want to buy the correct size and not the wrong size. I also wanted to show you, I bought this, which is like a cover for the actual ring set, but I think I'm going to return this because it just, I don't know, it was like 20 some dollars. It's too much. It just goes in there like that. The rings fit in there, and I just wanted to show it to you so you guys can get some sort of size idea. Once again, this is a half letter, has rose gold on it. I just think it's unnecessary. I actually kind of like the way it looks. Just like that. So now to the meat and potatoes. I love these little these little things. They're like little inspirational cards. These were free. I think these were planningwithbee.com. Nope, I'm sorry. Plans and Vibes. How cute are these? 100% free. Oops. You just printed them. I printed them on like a paper. It's kind of like a linen-y sort of paper. I don't know if you can see the texture in it. I thought that might add a little bit of visual interest. And then this is what I ended up with. So this in total is going to end up costing me under $10 total. I mean, minus the ollie clip. So here we go. This was a freebie. This was from Planning with Bee, I believe. This was the cover that I had to cut down, and I rounded the corner so you don't get cut. These are the rings, and I just layered a piece of, this is vellum, which was also a freebie. Elmon Paper Co. It gives you all the holidays. And then I layered that on top of this. It's kind of like a Burberry design, and I foiled it. If you're interested in any of the shops where I got all these freebies, let me know and I will put them all down in the description, or just a comment, and then I'd be more than happy to let you know where I got it from. Okay, so I put all this together with my little ollie clip, and so it kind of stays together and makes one design. Oh, that's kind of pretty. Okay, then this is another card from Plans and Vibes. I did an acetate right here, and this says 2021 calendar, and below that I have the 2020 calendar. This is just a clip from Amazon. These are some pockets. I just stuck it on there. I'm gonna put something else up here, probably. I don't know what. I just stuck it on there. This paper clip is holding this. So I stick my little dots in there. And now I printed out 2 monthlies. And I thought this one might be interesting because I can make like a little, for the Fly Lady routine, I can make morning routine, did I do the laundry, did I do my zone clutter? And these are all type priorities, and these are all of the days. So I know all of these days I did my morning routine. These days I did laundry, and that day I did my zone declutter. Okay, so I can look at that and go, girl, you need to get with it. This is what it looks like without anything on it. Maybe I need to zoom in. What it looks like without anything on it. And I put the entire year in there. I also got this one. I may use this. I don't know. I can't decide. These boxes were so small. You literally can only fit one little sticker in there. So that's why I kind of went to this. But, you know, I don't know. It is what it is. Personal choice. Okay, so then I'll go to my inbox, which I taped together with a little tab from Rose Colored Days. And I put my task cards in here. This is for my daily self-care. This is for my morning routine. This is a card from Planner Press. It just says 2021 in Roman numerals. It's very hard to see because it's black on black, and it's in, there you go, it's in clear plastic. So that's what that looks like. Okay. This is that same Burberry. I first printed it on paper, that textured paper, and put it behind there. And then this is the only printable that I bought online. I can't think of what I got it on Etsy, but if you're interested, like I said, just comment below and I'm more than happy to let you know which cleaning one this is. It is works really good for the Fly Lady. So, because it gets a little much, the Fly Lady, trying to figure it all out. So here are these are the morning routine daily tasks. I'm just going to check off each day that I do it. And then this will be the weekly zone. No. These are like the extra ones that you do. So home blessing on Monday, on Tuesday is, pay your bills, blah, 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 blah. If you're interested in the Fly Lady, you can look it up online, or if you have any questions, I'd be more than happy to answer them. I don't know that much about it, but I'm trying. Okay, this is the next insert, is cleaning tasks by room. I use this as the zone thing. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zones. Right now, we're really on zone 4, but I'm going to say zone 5. That's where we're going to start right here. And I'm just going to date it as I do it. And cleaning and home maintenance routine. These are just daily, weekly, monthly tasks, seasonal tasks, and yearly tasks. And we'll go on to the next page, which are yearly tasks and home maintenance checklist, which I have to go in and fill out. I don't know if it's going to be redundant or I don't know, but that's where we're at. And then I put in 52 weeks of this weekly cleaning chore, which I'm going to use. So I have an entire year's worth of those in there. Then I got this from, I think, Any Plans Printables, also free. It's My Life in Pixels. Sorry guys, where was I? My battery is dying, so I'm going to hurry this up. This is Any Plans Printables. It's My Life in Pixels. I'm going to fill it out and just see where my mood goes through the entire year. I'll do a little legend. And then on the back, these are just some date dots. This is a printable. Also, like I said, I can't remember the name of the shop. This is from the digital dash box. This is for the January one, and this is just a vellum. It says a secret ingredient is always love, and it's on top of a dashboard that I printed on that textury paper. And this is going to be my meal prep, since this is a household. So here are my daily meal planners, what we're eating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for me and the hubs. And here is a grocery list. And what's the bottom one? Snacks. I don't know. I'm going to use that for something else. And then I put literally one for every day. There should be about 3 months in here of that. And I think that takes us all the way to the end. I don't want to put much more in here. I want to keep it focused and simple. I'm going to obviously put something back here on the back. But I wanted to show you guys. See, you can make a planner. It doesn't have to cost a lot. It's easily under $10 for the whole thing. And it looks really nice. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little haul slash planner setup, sort of. That's it, guys. Okay, have a great weekend, and thanks a lot for watching. Thanks.